Rama, this is the Global Digest think tank group. We are podcasting global issue, regional issue. Why don't you introduce to our audience? Where are you right now and what is your background? Please, Rama.
Okay, hello everyone. I'm Rahma. I'm from Indonesia, West Borneo. For daily activity, as a lawyer, legal consultant, and I have experience about resolution conflict with palm oil in Indonesia, especially West Borneo. And for now, I'm work. I join with non-government organizations, local NGOs. It's like Gemawan. We focus in issue gender, resolution conflict, is especially palm oil, good governance, and ecology justice.
So, Rama, you are specialized in the conflict resolution, especially on palm oil conflict. It's related to environmental issue.
It's about resolution conflict. It is our project with KLTLP Leiden from Netherlands. And this is we work 6 NGOs of Indonesia. It's like Gemawan University in Indonesia, his universities Indonesian, Andalas, KLTLP Leiden is organization of the Netherlands. Netherlands is about conflict resolution of palm oil. I share experience if even we do research in the Kalimantan Barat. For the research have 1919 case of the resolution conflict if for the palm oil. This is have five classification. Five classification is about tenurial, labor, kemudian human right. I'm sorry.
Land issue and social
land
conflict.
Issue. Yes, land issue. So many conflict until
including pollution, environmental impact of the plantation, such thing, right?
Yeah. For land issue is land issue is like conflict is about the corporation with the people.
Which city or which province or which area?
Kalimantan Barat. You search Kalimantan Barat.
And which corporation or company you're fighting against?
Big company from big company from Singapore, Malaysia. The name of the Wilmar, you can search the Wilmar company, and Sinarmas company. I'm forget for this.
So
because so many company toured in the Kalimantan Barat too. As you know, what Kalimantan Barat has so many forests, but the palm oil. Yeah, palm oil comes here. So many forests to cut this. Impact for the resolution conflict is rich, poor, kemudian so many people of the to the prisons of the justice in the discrimination from the company.
So you said there are a lot of companies from Singapore, Malaysian.
Yeah.
They have invested and they produce palm oil and factory and they plant palm tree. All these things they did, but there are a lot of impact in Indonesia So you yourself as a lawyer, you also part of advocating directly for the case, or you are doing with a group of lawyers?
I'm work with a group lawyer.
You involve and participate at the court.
Yes,
What is your main role?
labor.
So mainly you work for labor issue. It's about child labor, forced labor, and what else?
For the lawyer, I'm focused in the case in the concerning labor demanding rate their right. As simple as that, company not full payment for the labor. So many discrimination company with the other people, or the staff in the staff work in this company. So this is about right, human right.
Right. So how many labor they did not receive payment? How many labor in your case?
In the case, I have three case is about labor. The first case, I have 10 laborers is work in the company is not receive the payment. But you must know the first case. This is not a company about palm oil, but this is a company local in Kalimantan Barat. This company to focus to dig of the rocks, So tell our clients this is not the receive not receive the payment and dismiss it for the work.
What is
John?
their salary? How much they supposed to get and how much they did not pay?
How much? In Indonesian is 4 million rupiah. Other people is very different. Other people very different.
For your case, 10 people,
depending on the time,
how much they supposed to get?
During in the pandemic, 2021. For the people are different for the payment, depending on the time they work. For example, 40 or 50 millions rupiah in Indonesian.
What about second case and third case? How many people they did not receive money? They did not get payment.
And the second case, I have one client is one labor. He is security in the company. He is a very old, but company to him to work in this company, but he's not affordable to the work. It is 18 months. He's not received the salary.
And what about that case? You have that case. How many labor not received?
For the third case, 5 labor. This is on a process in the court. I'm just for this for now. I'm analyze for the case in the process to register of the court. This is about a company, a palm oil company. The same case. This is not a received salary. Not same company, same the case. They don't receive salary, but other a different company.
So they are Singapore and Malaysian company.
Yes.
So the first two case, what is called indictment? What is the result?
For the result, it's so very disappointing. Decided company to say uh, to 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 payment of the labor with the 50% from the from the period of the time there of the work. Yeah, the court decided there them of the office. So this is unfortunate for the labor, and this is not real. This is not fair for the labor because the court decide company can payment salary the labor with the 5% from the other time.
The third case is still processed, right? Not yet.
Yes. Yeah, it's not yet.
I don't know the policy, government policy and the company policy and labor policy, what the government role in this conflict.
The policy is conflict in Indonesia have the rule of the case, but he's not impact, not give impact for this case.
The policy is not effective.
Yes, this is not effective.
And not implemented. Not implemented.
Yes, this is not implemented.
So government office, they receive some money from the company. So the government did not implement the policy very well, right?
Yes. Yeah.
How your lawyer, NGO working together to implement the policy, how to implement. Is there any chance to implement, or it's very difficult to implement policy in Indonesia? How do you see the situation?
For me, the policy just implementary from the government, but he's not side of the people. If you know what, if have a resolution conflict, especially from oil, so many people discrimination from the police. And to the action is police because police side with the company, and I think it's so poor for these people other in the life other in the runs of the uh, farm oil, yeah, farm oil gardens.
So the police also working for the company favor, right?
Yeah.
Not for the labor. So
Yes.
can complain about police, or you can work for corruption. It's corruption, right? Police are corruption.
Mm-hmm.
So how you cannot ask the government, because Indonesia is democracy country, public advocacy.
Yeah, in Indonesia, so many big, as you know what, from the Sabang and you have Merauke. Indonesian, so many problem, many problem is about labor resolution conflict, and we have other different for the difficult. It's other district. Especially Kalimantan Barat, from the research, from our research, is not this is not resolution. This is about the conflict in Kalimantan Barat, John. So this is a very hard for us. This is not just governance, but we are about us. So I think this have a time to discuss is about resolution conflict. This is he have attention from the other people in Indonesia. This is about resolution conflict, especially lawyer. Lawyer is just to the focus in the case in the court, but this is just a litigation or non-litigation. But if the case came to court, this is, yeah, for the result, the decision of the hakim, judge.
It seems it's also not easy for Indonesia to implement policy and public advocacy. The government has very complicated, and Indonesia is big population, so government will not pay much attention for many cases. So it seems it's difficult to advocate in Indonesia, and a lot of you mentioned labor abuse and unpaid labor like that, and forced labor.
The palm oil is one of Indonesian income. So palm oils to have the good position for this for Indonesian. So if we declare this conflict, so many keep the conflict into other district. So very complicated for the problem in the palm oil. It's about labor, a woman, uh, uh, environment, kemudian land use. So many problem in the palm oil, but the government have raised the government have a mimpi, dream. Indonesian can like as China.
Majority are which category?
In the category women.
Most of them are women.
Women. Most of the women is sometimes men, and the little bit child, because in the palm oil have the case child work in the palm oil. As you know what, in the ILO, I don't know for this rule, the child is not work in the didn't work in the palm oil, but some place some district many child work in the palm oil garden.
Do you have a child labor case?
I have a experience about a case in the Kalimantan Barat. They at 12 teenagers, he worked in the palm oil with the reason he worked to help other parents.
So how did you solve the child labor issue? Did you bring it to the court? What is the court decision?
No, not bring the court, but we try to advocate with the other parents for this. The child is not good work in the palm oil.
Since the company are from Malaysia and Singapore, so this is a regional company. Is there any ASEAN play for dealing with labor issue? ASEAN has any discussion about labor issue?
I think it's not yet, but I think in the if this company, big company, if the buyer of the Europe, we had the standardization of the name RSPO, Rentable Sustainable Palm Oil. This is a rule for the buyer, their buyer. If this is not checklist, this is not given.
ASEAN is not effective to deal child labor and labor abuse and unpaid labor cases because ASEAN, as you know, namely they create the ASEAN regional bloc, but anything they cannot make effectively labor issue or any regional conflict like military coup in Burma, political crisis. ASEAN cannot do anything. They said non-interference. Probably labor problem in Indonesia also they may say is non-interference between countries in ASEAN. So maybe they don't want to discuss about the labor issue in Indonesia case as well. So it is clear ASEAN is not effective for many things. So it's not really reliable, including human rights issue, environmental issue, social, political conflicts, and about palm oil conflict. You will keep advocating or you will bring more cases to the court, even the court is doing not very good. You have any other option apart from court?
I think we can do advocacy for the people or the communities in the side of the palm oil. We can we build awarenesses about so what the impact if you have a palm oil, if you work in the palm oil. So we can description we can reasons why the child is not good work in the palm oil or company. We can give reasons. So for this now, we are the work in the communities in other side of the palm oil with the advocacy and the facilitation and for the build awareness is about how about the lawyer, about the labor, gender, so impact from the palm oil for the environment. I see so many cases from the corruption of the environmental. But in Indonesia, this is focused corruption of the government. So for this environmental is not a priority. John.
So there is corruption, but the government feel corruption is not yet priority. So they are doing other things, more political things or some economic thing, investment. They may feel like that, right? So it means the people will be suffering, you know. They abuse and they are unpaid and they pay very low and, you know, a lot of forced labor. So the labor, ordinary people will be suffering. The who have the power, who have the money will be keep oppressing and, you know, those vulnerable such as women, children will be always suffering. So that is unfortunate in Indonesia as well. So I guess you can fight for justice, and you can keep advocate.
Yes.
How's your lawyer friends and your lawyer group? What's your planning strategy for advocating and solving these kinds of issue?
I have a plan, so we work together to awareness from the court. Part of the court is like a judge, a solicitor, adjudicator. We can the awareness. Increase the awareness is about environmental issues of the work. So many impact from the company if the work in this people. John.
Do you have any
No, I'm
networking?
just a local lawyer in the Kalimantan Barat. It's not ASAC legal entity. We can write the website our lawyer. In this and our office is to focus gender, women, corruption. Some corruption is tenorial and land grabbing in the case.
How many lawyer in your group?
3.
I see. You are small group, right?
Yes.
I see.
Our new team.
I see.
So I wanna
It's a new
we wanna
team.
build this team. Yeah.
You can build bigger one,